are in Aix, France, and we are at the Fragonard Factory that shows you how to make perfume. So we're gonna go check it out. Chris actually found this online, and at first I thought, I don't know if I'm really interested in perfume, but then the more I thought about it, the more I thought, that actually sounds kind of neat. I want to know how perfume is made and some of the details and notes and stuff. So come check it out with us.
Here we don't give you the recipe, so that maybe you will find the same. In this laboratory we make the soaps. We receive soap in the form of such pellets with copper oil. This is oil of coconut, vegetable fat, the base for the soap. These pellets, they go to the gray machine at the beginning, the round one. It's like a mixer. It is mixed with olive oil, argan oil, any other oil.
That's so cool.
By hand, yeah.
They're like peeps.
Yeah, for kids or for decoration, actually, that is this.
All the little soaps. These are all the different perfumes that we tried. And then after you test them, there's all this stuff you can buy in here. It's a big store. We've got our basket of goodies. We're buying a couple things. Alright, that's it. We completed the perfume factory tour and we bought 2 things.
That's right. We're going to smell really good.
I bought some solid perfume.
And I got a bar of soap.
So we're going to smell pretty nice.
That's right. Come visit.
Alright, thanks for watching. We'll see you on our next video.
Ciao.
Bye.